Hi, Maria Watkins here from the Music Business Made Easy. Today I have another quick tip for you, a promotional tool called Playlist Push. They help independent artists get their music on playlists. They also give curators who create playlists an opportunity to work to monetize those playlists while discovering new music. But today I'm emphasizing getting your music on playlists. I ran a campaign last year to see how it all operates and to see what type of effect it could actually have. Of course, everything is genre specific. You have to set up your account, your password, typical things you need to do. Once inside, click on your dashboard and go to Manage Campaigns. From there, you apply for a playlist campaign. You upload your song, your Spotify link, the name of your song. As you see on this page, it's pretty simple once you get started. You just follow the prompts. They do have different price tiers where you can submit to a set number of playlists for a certain amount, or you can manually choose according to what you can afford to pay. How did my campaign go? Well, for my genre, I sent it to, I believe it was 6 or 7 that fit the type song that I thought I had. Out of those, there was one curator who felt that the song fit his playlist, so he added it. As you can see from the stats, at the time he had 49,000 followers and 4,500 monthly listeners. Normally, a campaign will last 2 weeks. If your music is added to a playlist, that curator will keep it there the 2 weeks or longer if they so choose. The curator that chose the song I submitted kept the song on the playlist for 2 months. The song was released September 28th, so by October, it went from 0 listeners to 2,512 fans. November, there were 1,798 fans. By December, the music had streamed for 8,040 minutes. So was it worth it? Sure. Anytime you increase in exposure and people listen to what you create, that's a blessing. I spent a total of $135 on that campaign. And for the curators that did not add the music to their playlist, they sent reviews or feedback stating why they felt that it wasn't a fit for their playlist. So if you're interested, check it out. Just another resource or tool that can help you on your musical journey. Don't forget to check out my course I have available for all those new to the music industry wanting to learn how to properly document, protect, and register your music with the Library of Congress. Head on over to courses.musicbusinessmadeeasy.com. Check that out. And also, I have a free checklist for you, 22 things to do before you release your music. Go and download it right now. You'll find it at musicbusinessmadeeasy.com. If you find these tips to be helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Showing your interest inspires me to continue making these helpful tips for you. Take care and have a great day.